प्यारे बच्चों, आपको हिस्ट्री में एजुकेशन एंड ब्रिटिश रूल के बारे में पढ़ा रहा था, जिसमें अब केस स्टडी बड़ौदा एंड अलीगढ़ के बारे में पढ़ाना है। देखें पेज नंबर 52 पर। बड़ौदा और बड़ोदरा, बड़ौदा एंड बड़ोदरा is a third largest and most populated city in Gujarat after Ahmedabad and Surat. It is known for Maharaja Syagi Rao University of Baroda. The university is famous for its faculty of technology and engineering and fine arts department. The whole credit for convincing the vision of this university goes to Maharaja Syagi Rao III. He was a genius and a man of versatile interest. He was maker of modern Baroda. He instituted a series of reforms in educational, social, economic fields. He established a network of schools, libraries, and hospitals throughout his state. He turned his capital into a city of majestic buildings and gardens. He advocated Swadeshi and helped the national movement. In 1881, Syagi Rao laid the foundation of the Baroda College, which later grew into a full-fledged university. Students from all over the country and even abroad joined the university to receive education in engineering, technology, and fine arts. This university caters to the needs of the over 30,000 students. It has 13 faculty and 17 residential hostels. नाउ अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी की देखें। अलीगढ़ इज ए टाउन इन वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश क्लोज टू दिल्ली. इट इज नोन फॉर अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी फाउंडेड इन 1920. द यूनिवर्सिटी दे grew out of Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh, established in 1875. इसमें गलत लिखा हुआ है, इसको सही कर लें. Established in 1875. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, a Muslim reformer and educationist, was forced being setting up college by Hidayatullah Khan. The Muslims in India were by and large economically and educationally backward. They looked upon Western education with suspicion. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was deeply concerned at the depressed position of his community. He persuaded fellow Muslims to accept social, religious, and educational reform. He also tried to win over the government's goodwill for them. He actually felt the need of learning English language and literature for the better participation in public life and better opportunities to enter the government service. His aim was to combine British education system with Islamic values to preserve and promote Islamic culture and religion. The Anglo-Mohammedan College was one of the first residential institutions in India. It produced a new education class of the Muslims who were eager to take an active part in politics. This college was first affiliated to Calcutta University and later to Allahabad University. It began publishing magazines, established many schools for girls, and added more subjects to curriculum. Ultimately, in 1920, it grew into a university named as Aligarh Muslim University. Sultan Jan Begum was the first chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University. The university has produced many prominent leaders, teachers, writers, scholars of the subcontinent. It has a strength of nearly 30,000 students and 80 departments of study. It draws many students from abroad as well. Thanks. You now look quick recap self study. You do self study and again next day.